We had a lot of customers that were cutting off temporary attachments, and so we had to come up with something that would cut it flush to the surface. And we had applications where they didn't want hot work, so therefore we would maybe peel the paint off the back of the other side of a wall that we're taking some temporary attachments off of. So we came up with a saw, has 2 magnetic feet. You push it up to where you want to go to, turn your magnets on, start your power. The beauty of this is that now, that's a cold saw, cold to the touch.